Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is artist Rabia from Pakistan. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I wanna show you how to make your first shirt design for free. So grab a coffee, grab something, snack. By the way, I'm done with my tea. I'm pumped to make this video for you. Let's get started. Before you start, subscribe and hit the bell icon and stay connected from anywhere in the world. Guys, so I have opened this Photoshop. If you don't know the Photoshop, so step 1 is to learn the Photoshop first and learn the tutorials from YouTube. Okay, from here I'm taking the new file, new. This is the first step. You have to creating the new document. This is the very first part, most important part. If you don't prepare the document correct, you might not make a design of the right size. So from here I'm taking the size 14 width and 17 height. The resolution is 300 and I'm taking the background contents color, this black color. Hit OK, and from here also hit OK. So you can see I have the correct size here. So guys, now we should move towards the sources. Which sources we should have for the designs? So I have unsplash.com here, unsplash.com. I have this website. Before this, I'm going into the Google, type Google here. And I want here black grunge background. Okay, you have to type this here. I want any of the background for my shirt. I want any of the texture from here. You can select any of the texture according to your taste. So guys, see, you can take this texture. I have downloaded on my desktop many textures which I have downloaded. Drag this here into your Photoshop. I'm dragging this here, and you can see you can enlarge it by pressing Shift and Alt button together like this. Hit OK. Guys, I have to remove this white background. So select this magic wand tool and select here, click delete button. They are saying could not complete your request because the smart object is not directly editable. So I'm converting this to rasterized layer like this. Now press delete button. So it is deleted. I'm again pressing Ctrl T to transform. I want the size somehow larger like this and like this. Press enter. I have this. It is transforming. I'm taking my snacks. Super cool. So guys, now I'm going to unsplash.com. Write here any of the image you want. I'm writing here New York streets. You can see I have many of the images here. You can download. I'm liking this, so I'm downloading this from here. Download free. You can easily download. Guys, I already have this image, so I'm going onto the desktop. Where is my image? Oh yeah, I have that image in downloads. So I'm going here, open. Go into the downloads if you have downloaded there. And this, I have this image open. The file is opening. You can see guys, I have this file here. I'm unlocking this layer by double clicking on this. You will have this layer styles. I'm crossing this because I don't need them. Take this move tool and drag this right here with the help of mouse. Now you can see I have this here. I'm resizing this by pressing Shift and Alt button together. If you see the picture is distorted and it is not of the right size, Ctrl Z because I want to undo this because the size is not accurate which I want. So this undo and press Ctrl T to again transform. Press Shift and Alt button together so that it don't disturb the size. Press Enter. Guys, I want to force this layer, this building layer, into this background grudge layer. So simply press on this and press Alt button. Guys, simply press here like this and you can see I have this layer into this grunge layer. So I'm again enlarging this by pressing Shift and Alt together. This is good for me. Press Enter. Guys, I'm pressing Ctrl E to merge these two layers. So press Ctrl E if you want. Now I'm pressing Ctrl T because I want to resize this once again. And I want this right here because I want to write text under this. Okay, press Enter. Guys, now I'm taking the text tool from here and come right here, write New York. You can see this. Now I'm press Ctrl T to transform like this and press Shift and Alt button and make the size larger. Press Enter. Guys, if you want to change this color, you can simply take this, select this, and you can change the color from here. I want this color because it is matching with the car and the building, so hit OK. Guys, you can see I have this design. I'm merging these two layers. Press Ctrl E and the layer is merged. I have this design for my t-shirt. So I'm going into the Google. I want t-shirt design, t-shirt dummy. Okay, I'm writing here t-shirt PNG high resolution black. So you can see here you have many of the shirts here. You can download any of the shirt and bring the motif on this shirt. I have already downloaded my shirt on desktop. So I'm going there. I'm going into the file, open. In desktop I have that shirt. I want to bring that shirt here. So I'm clicking on this, open. Guys, I'm bringing this motif into that shirt. Drag this from here to here into this file. It is very large, so I'm pressing Ctrl T to transform. Press Shift and Alt button together. Bring this right here. Press Ctrl plus and again make the size smaller by pressing Ctrl, Shift and Alt together. Press Enter. Guys, you can see this is ready. I'm showing you my previous image which I had made. Guys, you can see this, the shirt is ready like this. If you have to print this on the fabric, the design would look like this. I'm showing you another pic of a boy. You can see it is looking so much elegant. Like this, you can print any of your shirt on any of your motif on the shirt. So guys, I hope you enjoy my today's video. hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. And stay connected from anywhere from the world. Okay, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.